Just a disclaimer, this is not the most detailed OnePlus 6T video. For that, I'll point you to my OnePlus 6 video because the two phones are nearly identical, but I'll be discussing the differences in this video. Hi, my name is Yomitosh, and not too long ago, OnePlus unveiled the OnePlus 6T. Please enjoy my beautiful B-roll. I worked really hard on it. So I'll get straight to it. Beefed up battery life, new fingerprint scanner, no headphone jack, and no notification LED. And don't forget the notch 2.0 or the teardrop notch. So what's it like using the OnePlus 6T? I'll put it out there, I'm an Apple fan after switching about 3 years back, but I love all things tech. So from my point of view, the OnePlus 6T is lacking in its gestures, which I demoed on the OnePlus 6 video in the corner, and I'd say it's a bit too big for me. I'm not a fan of big phones. And battery life is a really strong point on this device, and the notch might just be the least intrusive notch to date on any mainstream smartphone. And lastly, I've not got too much to say about the headphone jack because I've been going wireless for the most part, but the headphone jack is removed. And so there you have it. Hopefully you were able to take something out of this short and somewhat late OnePlus 6T rundown. Also let me know by leaving a like. I'm happy to answer any questions you might have in the comments. Once again, I'm Yomitosh, and I'll see you in the next one.